Welcome to our channel. Today we will draw and color a rabbit. Drawing a round head. Draw a flower in the upper left. Draw a long ear. Let's draw a pair of big eyes. Let's draw a little nose, cute little mouth. Drawing out the blush. Eyelashes. Small eyebrows. We draw a bow under the rabbit. The rabbit is wearing a beautiful dress. Drawing the bunny's little feet. And finally, let's draw the cute hand. We'll draw some grass on the side. Let's draw a bush on the left. A lovely white cloud on the top. Paint a cute little face. Now the simple drawing is done. Let's start bolding the stroke. Now let's start coloring. Orange, pink, pink, rose, purple, big red, rose, blue, yellow, brown, green, green, dark green, dark green, lime green, green. We've finished our beautiful work. Thank you for watching. See you next time.